Welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to set up a free proxy for Janitor AI with MegaNova. Let's get started. First, open Google and search for Janitor AI. Press enter, and on the next page, click on the official Janitor AI website. Once the website opens, you'll see many AI characters available. Choose any character that you want to chat with and click on the Continue button to open the chat window. Before you can start chatting through MegaNova, you'll need to configure the API settings. To do that, click on the menu button in the top right corner of the screen. A menu will open with several options. From there, click on API settings. Inside the API settings page, you'll see different API providers and connection options. Click on the proxy option. Now click on Add Configuration. This allows you to create a new proxy configuration that will connect Janitor AI with MegaNova. The first field asks for a configuration name. Here, type any name you want. I'm typing Mega so I can easily recognize this configuration later if I create more than one. Now move to the next field, which is the model name. To get the correct model name, open a new browser tab. Search for MegaNova and open its official website. If you're not already signed in, log into your MegaNova account. After signing in, go to the API section of the website. In this section, you'll see information about the available AI models. Carefully locate the model that you want to use. Make sure you copy the model name exactly as it appears, because even a small mistake can prevent the connection from working properly. Once you've copied the model name, return to Janitor AI. Paste the copied model name into the model name field. Now move to the next field, which is a proxy URL. To get the proxy URL, go back to the MegaNova website. In the API section, you'll find the proxy URL or base URL required for the connection. Copy the complete URL carefully. Now return to Janitor AI and paste it into the proxy URL field. Double-check that the entire URL has been copied correctly before moving to the next step. Now let's enter the API key. Go back to MegaNova once again. On the left panel, you'll see an option called API Keys. Click on it. Here you'll find your personal API key. Copy the API key carefully. Remember that your API key is private. Do not share it with anyone or show it publicly in screenshots or videos because it gives access to your account. Now return to Janitor AI. Paste the copied API key into the API key field. At this point, all the required information has been entered. Take a moment to review each field. Make sure the configuration name is correct. Check that the model name matches the one from MegaNova. Verify that the proxy URL has been pasted correctly. Also make sure your API key has been entered without any extra spaces. Once everything looks correct, click on Add Configuration. Janitor AI will now save your proxy configuration. Wait a few moments while the configuration is registered. If everything has been entered correctly, the configuration will be added successfully. Your Janitor AI account is now connected to MegaNova through the proxy configuration. You can now return to your character chat and start using the configured AI model. Whenever you want to use this setup again, simply select the Save Configuration instead of entering all the details again. This makes it much easier to switch between different AI models whenever you need them. And that's it. If you liked the video, like, subscribe, and press the bell icon for more helpful tutorials.